Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is balance of payment. In the international trade, a country has the monetary transaction with other countries of the world. The record of such transaction is made in the balance of payment account. So the balance of payment is an important concept concerned with the transaction between the one country and rest of the world. It provides the systematic record of the monetary payment of the country to the foreign country and it receipt from them. It gives the period of time, normally 1 year, or in short we can say that balance of payment of country is systematic record for all economic transaction, that is transaction in goods, service and asset between the resident of country and the rest of the world during a year. Means in other words we can say that it is a accounting statement that provide a systematic record of all the economic transaction between the resident of the country with the rest of the world in the given period of time. Here transaction means which related to money or the for the motive of earning. Next item to be included in balance of payment, that first is visible item. These refer to all the physical goods and machinery which are exported and imported that can be seen or touched. Next, invisible item, these are referred to all type of service like banking service, insurance service, tourism, shipping which are exported or imported at the they cannot be seen or touched. Next, investment income, that is factor income. It includes investment income, that's interest, profit, dividend, royalty which are received by the resident or paid to the non-resident. Next, unilateral transfer. These transfer one way transfer and unrequited transfer, payment, gift, donation, remittance, charity either received or paid. Next, capital transaction. These are referred to those transactions which cause a change in our asset and liabilities of resident of the country or its government. It include capital receipt like borrowing or sale of asset, capital payment like repayment of loan and purchase of asset. And the various transactions which are included in balance of payment are called component of balance of payment. The first, the balance of payment account of the country is constructed on the principle of double entry system of bookkeeping. Each transaction in the balance of payment is recorded and classified according to the credit, that is receipt, and debit payment side of the balance sheet. The payment received from the foreign countries, means rest of the world, are called credit. On the credit side, all inflow or sources of foreign exchange are recorded. Payment made to the foreign country, that rest of the world, are called debit. On the debit side, BOP is all the outflow or use of foreign exchange are recorded. All transactions in balance of payment can be grouped into two main accounts, that is current account and capital account. Current account means the current account refers to account which is recorded export and import of goods and services, unilateral transferring during the given period of time. In the other word, current account of the country consists of all the transactions relating to the trade in goods and services and unilateral transfer. Next component of current account, the main component of current account are means with visible trade and visible item, that is export and import goods. Means visible item include all type of physical good exported and imported. These visibles made of for some metals and materials. Visited visible item can be seen, touched and measured by as pass through the port and across. Trade in goods and is called visible trade. Balance of trade is equal to value of visible export minus value of visible import. Means trade in physical product, finished product like cloth, machinery, all foreign export of visible item are recorded as a positive, which is these increase the flow of foreign exchange into the country. All import of visible items are recorded in the negative item. These cause a flow of exchange out of the country. The difference between the export and import of goods is termed as balance of visible item, and the trade simply balance of trade.